Good morning, you're listening to Shivangi, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 20th June from around the world. India on Friday added 13,586 new COVID-19 cases for the first time in a single day, pushing the tally to 3,80,532, while the death toll rose to 12,573 with 336 new fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data. In some positive news, the number of recoveries crossed the 2 lakh mark and stands at 2,04,710, while there are 1,63,248 total COVID-19 active cases, according to the updated official figure at 8 a.m. One patient had migrated. The chief scientist at the World Health Organization says the agency hopes there will be about 2 billion doses of a vaccine against COVID-19 by the end of next year that would be reserved for priority populations. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan said that WHO recommends immunizing people at risk first, including the elderly and those with underlying conditions like diabetes or respiratory disease, as well as key workers. Numerous developed countries, including Britain, France, the Netherlands, Germany, and the US, have already struck deals with pharmaceuticals to secure vaccine supplies for their citizens first. WHO and partners have called for drug makers to suspend their patent rights on any effective COVID-19 vaccine and for billions of dollars to buy vaccines for developing countries. The Supreme Court in Odisha Vikas Parishad versus Union of India on Thursday directed that there shall be no Rath Yatra anywhere in the temple town of Odisha or in any part of the state this year. The direction has expectedly met with sporadic protests across the state, with many questioning the merits of the decision to stay the centuries-old annual festival. Top American diplomat David Stilwell said the Trump administration is closely watching the Indo-China situation. The US official said China's action on the India border may be to take advantage of the situation where the world is distracted due to COVID-19. The United States has reduced its military presence in Afghanistan to the level negotiated with the Taliban, around 8,600 troops, the top US commander for the region said on Thursday. Facebook has removed a campaign ad by President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence that featured an upside-down red triangle, a symbol once used by Nazis to designate political prisoners, communists, and others in concentration camps. The company said that the ads violated their policy against organized hate. Nepal President Bidya Devi Bhandari on Thursday signed a constitution amendment bill to update the country's new political map, which incorporated 3 strategically important Indian areas, hours after the parliament approved it, a move that could severely hit the bilateral ties with New Delhi. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will attend a virtual conference of the Russia-India-China bilateral on June 23, which is being held in the backdrop of a violent border clash between Chinese and Indian troops in Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi and his Russian counterpart Sergei Lavrov will be the other 2 participants at the conference. Canada's Indian origin Sikh MP Jagmeet Singh was removed from Parliament after he called a lawmaker racist for denying approval for a motion calling out systemic racism in the police force, according to a media report. The World Health Organization's top scientist says it's now been definitively proven that the cheap malaria drug hydroxychloroquine, the drug favored by President Donald Trump, doesn't work in stopping deaths among people hospitalized with the new coronavirus. I, Shivangi, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.